Hey, what's up guys? It's Big Man Savage Dan back with another unboxing video. It's another old school gaming accessory. It's the Dreamcast keyboard. Just wanted to do a quick unboxing, guys. I know these things are like 20 years old, but I just wanted to show you guys in case you're interested in grabbing one for yourself. But this is from Japan. It's gonna get a little more light on the subject here. Sorry for the glare. Got my brother helping me out with the video here, so this thing's a little big, so it's hard to get all in the shot. But let's just get it open while I'm telling you guys about it. Not much to say. It's a keyboard for the Dreamcast, and it's used on games like Typing of the Dead or Unreal Tournament and Quake, games like that, the old school first-person arena shooters and stuff like that. But just got this from Japan, guys. I paid around, I don't know, you'll pay anywhere from 30 to 40 bucks probably to have it shipped. The original box and everything. Kind of cool to have that. I don't know what that is. Guess that's just the cardboard flopping around. But let's just show the keyboard, guys. Come on. That plastic out of the way so you can see it a little better. But if you'll notice, it's got all like English writing and Japanese writing for each key. So it's pretty cool that even though I did import this from Japan, it's still very usable here if you don't speak Japanese. But I think House of the Dead or Typing of the Dead actually uses English anyways, so I'm not sure if there's a Japan option in that. I don't know. Haven't looked that up. But anyways, guys, just wanted to do a quick look at it in case you guys were curious about it, as I was. I think the only difference in this one and the US keyboard is there may be like a little small section cut off over on this side with the numbers and all that stuff, but I don't know for sure. But quick video, guys. Thanks for watching. And this one seems to be in pretty good shape. Got to get the old button pushes in there. But yeah, I can't wait to try it out, guys. I'll let you know. And maybe I'll put some more videos actually using it on my channel. But thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see y'all next time. Give me a thumbs up and please subscribe if you haven't already. Later, guys.